So this is my 2008 Yamaha XT250. My sweet friend Max actually bought it for me for about $3,000.
Sweet like cool or sweet like boyfriend sweet?
It was my boyfriend at the time. It's just my pal, my buddy. This is my first real motorcycle. I feel like some people probably wouldn't even call it that, but
those people are dumb.
It's better than the Honda Trail 110 that I was riding to and from work, from West Seattle to Capitol Hill. So this is my commuter, but you know, it's a dual sport, so we also ride trail. It's pretty much stock. We haven't done a whole lot to it. When we first got it, it already had these guards. It had this upgraded skid plate. But that really is about it. So mostly what I've done to it is just added. We've got the sweet rack from Precision Bike Racks, I believe.
The stock rack. The stock rack is incredibly small.
Yeah, teeny, super tiny. So this one, you know, you've got your saddlebag resting. I don't know what you call these pieces. I'm not an expert in this shit. But you know, keeps the saddlebags off the exhaust and secure. We put a new chain on it. I can't remember exactly what the issue was, but we couldn't figure out how many links we needed. So I bought two really nice chains. Neither one of them fit. We ended up returning them. But ended up with this. It's a niche 130 link X-ring chain.
Amazon special.
Amazon special. But it works great. The previous owner, I don't think, had ever changed the chain, so it was the original. It was super rusted out, kind of sketchy to ride with.
And it is stock sprockets.
Yes. We got new wheels on it, new tires.
There's a brand, Heidenau.
Hide now. We'll
130/80/18 in the back, and a 90/90/21 in the front. Bought and mounted at
Cycle Gear.
Cycle Gear.
If I recall correctly, one of them is not a standard size for this bike.
But yeah, I mean, when we first bought it, we changed the oil. We even did the brake fluid just because it was easy enough. There's both hydraulic brakes in the front and the back, so it wasn't much fluid, but we just pumped the old stuff up, pumped the old stuff out, and pumped the new stuff in, and did the chain. And maintenance-wise, that was... Oh, and we adjusted the valves.
Oh, did you?
We adjusted
the valves. I do take it on the freeway occasionally. The guy we bought it from was like, what? That sounds fucking crazy. It'll go 60, maybe 70. It's kind of scary, but and it doesn't get up to speed super fast, but it'll go fast enough and you feel comfortable enough. That's not primarily where I ride it, obviously. Mostly just like city streets.
And all of our gravel roads and trails.
Yeah. Off-road for sure.
So how does it do off-road?
Fantastic. It's great. It's great.
It
is so perfect.
It really just eats up trails.
Yeah. Even like rutted out, kind of shitty, hard to maneuver stuff. It's super light. Great. I will say sand is hard for me, but my brother's given me some tips on sand, so we'll see. We'll have to do that again sometime.
We've mostly stuck to kind of high alpine gravel roads, kind of not a whole lot of sand, but yeah, the sand that we have encountered, the bike has not had the best luck in, but we'll see.
It might be rider error. Super tiny baby upgrade is my locking plate box. You know, got like my registration in there, and if we got cars and stuff, we got a spot where we can lock things up if we leave the bikes.
Nice.
Then up here, we've got the Trail Tech. That was a gift from my brother. Because holy shit, I would not spend $600 on that. But it is so cool. It is the sweetest. We've got all sorts of fun shit in there. It's hooked up. I don't know, Max would have to tell you exactly what's hooked to what. But we've got tack, engine temp, speed, and
Full GPS on road, and off road, and elevation, which I think is super cool.
Sweet. I don't know if it'll turn on. Voyager Pro.
But yeah, the system on this bike is very simple, simplistic, and kind of prehistoric, which is good. But just having the tack, just having the setting here, is awesome.
Pretty sweet. Got a RAM mount for my phone, so I can use Waze like a nerd. But really, like that's pretty much it. These are the stock mirrors, even.
I feel like these have kept these from getting crushed.
Yeah, absolutely. The previous owner had said his daughter had dumped it, so you know, had to put a new turn signal on. There's like a little bit of damage to the seat, but other than that, you know, like pretty clean when I got it. One of the things that we did, actually, because we were pressure washing the bike, was take off all of the decals that are on it.
Debadged.
Debadged it. And
it was a lot.
It looks way cleaner now.
This one's nice, but a bunch of them were, you know, like that, but bigger and just worse looking.
Yeah.
2008 looking.
Yeah. Let's see. We also have a battery tender. If I can find it in here somewhere.
Yeah, so battery tender is hooked up to the battery under the seat, and then there's the dongle.
You got your little port here.
Pulled up.
And then I've got a bonus. We can do a phone charger off of it.
Bam.
So you just plug the dongle in.
Amazon.
It's got your USB, charge whatever type of phone you have. Yeah.
Nice.
Amazon.
Sniper bag, can you show that?
It's Magpul, so not the brand that you said that it was.
You're right.
These are actually super, super nice. Supposedly for your suppressor. I don't do guns, but I like
Don't
the
do
bags.
suppressors.
I don't do that. And then I got my little toolkit that's got literally everything I think that you would need when you're on the road. If something were to go wrong. We got just our tiny little wrench setup. And two Allen keys. And then one flathead.
Nice. Where are there sockets for the ratchet? Oh, just the one. Okay.
5/16.
Okay, that must be.
That's it.
Interesting.
That fits just about everything.
I guess, yeah, everything is Allen's.
Yeah. So.
Very cool.
That stays with me.
And I mean,
In case of emergency.
what about like the chain or axle? Do you have like a wrench that would fit that?
You know what? I don't.
Where's the original tool bag?
Oh
under
yeah,
the seat or something?
there's a tool bag under the seat.
Okay, we'll just
probably in
trust her on that one. You want to take the bags off and show them what the bike looks like without the bags?
Yeah,
Some people might not like the bags. I think it looks good with or without.
Yeah. I personally really like these bags. I got these from Precision Bike Racks also.
That's the website.
Yeah.
What was the price roughly?
It's like $150 for the bags alone.
That's not bad for. That's cheap for bags like that.
Yeah, fully waterproof. These are dry spec. They're awesome. Roll top bags. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass to get them on and off, but for the most part, like, I just leave them on. I don't keep valuables in there and then leave them on the bike.
No guns.
No guns. Again, I don't do guns. Oh, we got one extra bit here. Water bottle holder. Easy access on the outside here. Pretty cool. Just lifts off. You can take them with you wherever you need to go.
There you go. Bike looks a lot more slimmed down if you're on some narrow trails or something, or not going out for a long period of time. Yeah, these guards are freaking cool. That's the word you were looking for earlier, maybe guards.
Guards. Yeah.
That's a cool looking bike.
I'm a nerd, so I keep all the reflectors and things on.
Well, this is your horn, but...
Oh. Oh.
We're out here in the ice and the snow, by the way, because we just wanted to get this video out.
Yeah. Things
Headlight?
Oh, yeah. Fresh headlight, a nice bright LED, so, you know, riding around Seattle, I can see what I'm doing.
Not get hit.
Not get hit.
Huge upgrade.
Yeah, that was probably one of the
I mean,
best.
not including the trail tech, how much did you put into this in aftermarket parts, like headlamp and or headlight and the rack and the bags? Maybe
Somebody bought me the headlight, so I don't know how much it was.
Okay.
This is probably $300
Okay.
about, including the bags, so. Is that right? Maybe a little bit more, maybe 400 including the bags.
Headlight was like
Oh.
$100.
I did actually think of one thing. The one thing that I will probably do at some point is get a more cushioned seat. This is perfect for like just a little day booping around, taking rides and taking breaks.
Mm-hmm.
But when we do long rides, that hurts after a while.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. 3371.
And you bought it with roughly 22,
Yeah.
23.
Yeah. Something
So about
like that.
1,000 miles in the past year.
Yeah.
On-road, off-road, highways,
Yep.
sand, gravel,
Gravel,
falling,
rivers.
rivers.
Yeah, just about everything.
Nice.
Haven't ridden it in the snow yet.
No? Any problems with the bike you've had in the past year?
One super minor problem. The shifter has come off, and I think it's just because it was never tightened.
This bolt here?
Yeah. You know, I was in the alley just getting started, went to go take off, and
Just
it just
left the house.
just dangling there, so I couldn't shift. But that was an easy fix with my Hex, little Allen. Just
That's funny.
put her right back on, no problem. Comfortable?
31-inch-ish seat height.
Yeah, my feet are flat on the ground.
It's 5'6".
The seating position is really comfortable. You're kind of perfectly straight on.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Yeah.
Anything you would change from the bike from the factory, I guess?
No, it's perfect. This is exactly the bike that I needed. It was inexpensive. Oh wait,
You want to tell them how much it was?
I already said $3,000
Perfect.
used, obviously. It's like the perfect size, perfect weight. It's not light for me, but you know, I'm able to maneuver easily.
When we're out on the road and out on the trail with these filled up and fueled up, it's probably like 300 pounds. Close to 300 pounds.
Yeah. You know, I've dropped it. I can pick it up.
Definitely dropped it.
I've dropped it on myself before. You know, get your legs stuck under it or whatever. No, it's a great bike. I honestly don't want anything more right now. It's kind of perfect.
You would suggest this bike to pretty much anyone who was looking at a dual sport?
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, as long as you're not trying to do like cross country highways
Yeah.
all day, it's not going to be comfortable for that. But if you're doing Forest Service roads,
Day rides.
trails,
Yeah.
just dicking around campsites,
Yeah.
it's perfect for that. And it's a good little commuter.
Yeah. I'll do that again.
Just riding.